Hello moms, welcome to our winter vacation series. Yesterday we kicked off with some fun and engaging activities, and today we have even more creative ideas to keep your little ones entertained without screens. These activities not only promise fun but also help in developing essential skills like problem solving, brain boosting, and motor coordination. Here are today's activities. Enjoy! For free printables, comment below. If you feel this video is helpful, then like and share this video. And to follow the series, don't forget to subscribe my channel Shino Kids. Thank you so much.